inside the human eye, a journey through vision. The human eye, a window to the world. It's an organ so intricate, so perfectly designed, that it often feels like something out of science fiction. Yet it's a part of us, an extraordinary biological system that gives us the ability to see, understand, and interpret the world around us. Science and Beyond will take you on a journey inside the human eye, exploring its complexity, its beauty, and its incredible function. At first glance, the human eye seems simple, but beneath its surface lies a highly specialized system. Just like a camera, it captures light and transforms it into images. But the process is far more sophisticated. Let's begin with the anatomy of this incredible organ. The eye is made up of several parts that work together in perfect harmony to allow us to see. First, there's the cornea, the clear, dome-shaped surface that acts like a lens, bending light to help us focus. The cornea works hand in hand with the pupil, the small circular opening in the center of the iris, the colorful part of the eye. The pupil controls how much light enters by adjusting its size in response to the surrounding light. Once the light passes through the pupil, it reaches the lens. The lens, just like a magnifying glass, focuses the light onto the retina at the back of the eye. The lens changes shape to focus on objects that are near or far. This process is called accommodation. The retina is where the magic happens. This thin layer at the back of the eye contains millions of specialized cells called photoreceptors. There are two types: rods, which help us see in low light, and cones, which enable us to perceive color and fine details in bright light. These photoreceptors convert light into electrical signals. The rods and cones send this information to the optic nerve, a bundle of nerve fibers that transmits the visual data to the brain, where it's interpreted into images. This allows us to not just see, but to perceive, recognize, and understand the world around us. Every day, we experience thousands of images. Whether we're reading a book, watching a sunset, or recognizing a face in a crowd, our eyes are constantly working. Vision is not just about detecting light. It's about understanding shapes, colors, depth, and motion. Our eyes are always adjusting to the environment. When we look at something far away, our eyes work together, converging towards the object, allowing us to judge its depth. And when we shift focus to something up close, the lens changes shape to make sure the image remains sharp. But sometimes, things go wrong. When the eye doesn't work properly, it can lead to vision impairments, nearsightedness, farsightedness, astigmatism. These are just some of the conditions that can affect our sight. And thanks to advancements in medicine, most of these conditions are correctable through glasses, contacts, or even surgery. One of the eye's most remarkable abilities is its capacity to adapt to different light conditions. In bright light, the pupil constricts, reducing the amount of light entering the eye. In darkness, it dilates to gather more light, allowing us to see in low light environments. This ability to adjust to varying light levels is known as pupil response. But there's more. Our eyes also help us perceive colors. The three types of cones in our retina are sensitive to different wavelengths of light: red, green, and blue. These cones work together to create the full spectrum of colors that we see in the world. The eye not only collects visual data, but also works with the brain to process that data, giving us the experience of vision. The brain analyzes the signals from both eyes to create a three-dimensional image of the world. This is how we perceive depth, recognize faces, and identify objects moving at different speeds. Vision is central to almost everything we do. It helps us learn, navigate, and interact with our surroundings. The science of the eye has allowed us to enhance human capabilities. from the precision of surgeons to the accuracy of athletes, proving that what we see is deeply connected to how we experience and interact with the world. With advancements in technology, we are just beginning to understand the full potential of the human eye. From AI-enhanced vision systems to gene therapy aimed at curing inherited eye conditions, the future promises even greater possibilities for improving and protecting this amazing organ. The human eye is truly a marvel of nature. Its ability to capture light, interpret images, and adapt to the environment is nothing short of extraordinary. As we continue to unravel its mysteries, we gain a deeper appreciation for the role the eye plays in our lives. It's more than just a sense. It's a key that unlocks our understanding of the world. Click on the playlist link in the description below if you want access to all our contents. If you find this video educative, like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to get notified on new videos like this. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the human eye.